So here we're taking a look at the stainless steel 3 times 2.5 quart triple slow cooker. So this is a brushed stainless steel, previously an Amazon commercial brand. This is a 3-in-1 slow cooker. It has 3 individual controls on each pot, comes with its own independently controlled temperature dial with low, high, and warm temperature settings. So you could get ahead of the game by cooking slow and limiting your time in the kitchen and having things cook while you can accomplish other tasks around the house. So with glass lids and locking handles, you got 3 dishwasher safe tempered glass lids, and you monitor food by easily viewing, and it prevents leaks during transport. Easy to clean, pots use 25% less energy compared to conventional slow cookers. Durable construction and a good warranty. Brushed stainless steel exterior will match any kitchen. And this is great for parties or preparing meals for the next day, for the kids for school, and so many more uses that it's up to your imagination.